I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about having everything in my shop mobile. You're always adding, moving tools around, makes it easy. You don't have to work as hard. Today, I'm going to be assembling and installing this Bora universal mobile base. I already have some of the Portamate product, but this one is a little bit better. Let me show you why. Put this bad boy together. So I've been using these Portamate PM1000s for a while. I like them, but there's some things I don't like. 2 wheels only, so there's always 2 hard wheels in the back, so it's not 4 points of contact. The back shimmies around. Good medium duty bases if you're not putting a lot of pressure. You know, the bandsaw you're pushing on and things like that, that's caused me some problems. One of the major problems I have are these levers on this one. They work pretty good, but they're really difficult, especially with the weight of the bandsaw. Lift, it's a little rickety. Once you get it up, it's good. Alright, so I wasn't really planning on making this video, but after I assembled the base, I was really impressed with the build quality, how easy it was to put together. Having used their products before, I just kind of wanted to share my experience. I'm going to take the bandsaw off, then I'll show you the major differences between the two. We'll see how this goes by myself. Now, looking at the bases, you can see a pretty significant difference. I think this one is rated at 300 or 400 pounds, maybe more. This one is rated at 1,500 pounds. You can see why. Super beefy, heavy duty, all box framing, as opposed to just these angle brackets here. Not that there's anything wrong with this. This held the weight. I don't need the weight capacity of that one, but this is what I wanted. So you have these nice big paddles that lift it up off the ground. They flip up, and now this base rotate 360 degrees. And then once you put all the feet down, you have 4 solid feet touching the ground, and it's not going to want to move around. The downside to that is, you can see this is a bigger footprint, but I'm willing to sacrifice that, have the added mobility. Now let's get that on that. Alright, we're on. Now let's see how easy this is to move around compared to the other one. Well, that was pretty easy. 360. Well, she's pretty agile. This would be the only downside to this base being bigger and beefier. It does take up a little bit more footprint, but I'm fine with that, because now I can literally step on these paddles, lock this thing in place, and it's solid. I have to adjust the feet to the floor for this position, but that's nice. The back's not going to want to slide around. I'm happy with that. Shop kitty. Alright, so I've had these Bora mobile bases on my joiner and my bandsaw for a couple of months now. I'm really liking them. What they allow me to do is to keep these tools pushed off to the side, clear up a footprint in the shop. When I need them, pull them out, use them, and slip them back. I just leave them here unlocked. They roll. That easy. Even if there's trash and scraps on the floor, which there always is, they roll really well. Alright, well, that wraps it up on this video for these Bora mobile bases. I can highly recommend them after installing them and using them for a while. They make a bunch of different versions, some for your table saw with your outfeed tables and things like that. So definitely recommend checking those guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Also, you can find me on Instagram at built_by_Nate, built by Nate. And if you guys haven't already, hit subscribe, turn on notifications if you like. I'll have more tool usage videos coming out, along with possibly some builds whenever I have time to get to it. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.